Gogu, my GK test code works perfectly now. My teacher taught me about the double equal to sign.
That's great, but now I want to see if you can check something different. How about testing if the answer is not correct?
Challenge accepted. Let me open my laptop. Okay, I'm using the not equal to operator now. See? Done. Isn't that awesome?
Amazing. But coding is like solving puzzles. There are multiple solutions to reach the same answer.
So Eva's solution could be different from mine?
Yes, and I can think like you both. I'm a genius after all.
Hi, Aadi. Finished the coding homework?
Not yet, but I will soon.
I did mine and can't wait to show you tomorrow. Bye.
Oh no, what was the task? Let me call Eva again. She's not answering. Gogu, any ideas?
Maybe call Callan?
Hello, Aadi.
Colin, do you remember the task?
Something about blood groups? But no way I'm doing it. Blood means injections, and injections mean pain. Bye.
Gogu, why is Kaylin so scared?
Maybe he got chased by a nurse once.
Look, friends, here's my code.
Wow, that's great, but let me write it differently.
That's cool, Aadi. Different codes, same result. Kaylin, what's wrong?
I'm staying away from anything related to injections.
Good morning. Show me what you've done.
Here's my code.
Excellent, Eve. Now, Aadi, your turn. Great work, Aadi. Using the not equal to operator was a smart choice. Kaylin, what about you?
No way. No blood, no injections for me.
Fine. Here's a new task for you. Write a code to check if a number is even or odd.
Whew, I can handle that.
What an exciting day. Aadi and Eve showed us that there are multiple ways to solve a problem in coding. Remember, today's lesson is use equal to check equality. Use not equal to check inequality. Don't be afraid to think differently. It's what makes coding fun. And Callan? Well, let's hope he conquers his fear of injections someday. See you next time.
Get ready for some fun? Watch the latest Aadi and Gogu episode, answer the questions, and you could win an awesome gift hamper. It's super easy. Just watch, think, and compete. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to play. Stay tuned for the quiz and the chance to win big.